compressor of wiggle test. So first step is to power the VCI. VCI automatically connects to E2 Pro or E2S with a beep when powered on. Answer E2 Pro or E2S has network connectivity. Select component test, compressor detection, then vehicle brand. Select by compressor code. Use upper right wiring guide to complete jumper cable connection. Connect the other end of the jumper cable according to the wiring guide. Enter the drive interface. Adjust the power supply's high voltage to 360 voltage. As prompted, once set, turn off the backup. The high voltage power supply is connected to the compressor. Finally, let OBD interconnect. Turn on the high voltage power supply and DC converter click, start up, and the compressor starts successfully.